Get ready for speed on page number 13. Start. Friends, we are passing through difficult times, and it is necessary that all of us, whatever our station or status, should take up, according to our capability, the work of rebuilding a new India. Our country has great resources. We naturally want to develop these resources and use them for the improvement of the living conditions of our common man. Many of the national services were built up in the customs of countries with better resources than us. This resulted in a difference between these services and the common man. We have to break that difference and slowly find ways more in line with the conditions existing in our country. The armed services of a country must have proper conditions to work in assurance and security. A service can be efficient only if its employees are happy and have an objective to work. I am glad that the men of our services have acknowledged the need of the hour and offered to own the responsibility. I know well that the savings plan and cuts in their salaries have affected them. Yet it is right and it should be so. The very knowledge that we are going our part along with millions of others in the country produces a spirit of common effort. It does not matter if today brings a little difficulty, provided tomorrow is going to be better. I would request you to understand the importance of the times in which we are living today and reach the objective by doing your best. All our assignments must produce that power in a nation before which all problems get cleared and all difficulties move away. We must all work together towards this, irrespective of states. This is not at all difficult. I wish you all success in your future assignments. Dear sirs, thank you for your letter of the second instant. We are sorry to say two of the books which appear on your list, namely Writer's Famous Dictionary and Computer Master, are both out of stock. The sales of these two books scarcely justify a new issue. We shall forward to you the other books today in our new catalogue, which will be ready in a few days. We think you will see many books which should have a good appeal. Further, we are glad to inform you that we are reprinting a few books on shorthand and typewriting, and hope to have them ready soon. Therefore, we request you to give your yearly orders. Thanking you. Yours faithfully, Stop.